So mga idol, gawa tayo ng mga speaker. Ito yung pupunta natin. Buckles yan. Akat na tayo. So yan.
Nakita ba si Gano, Noy?
So tara, samahan nyo kami mga idol.
Kaya tumatakas sa
Okay.
Yan. Dali. Okay. So ayan mga idol, ginugihitan ko yung para sa speaker, yung bilog natin, circle, 8 inches diameter mga idol. D8 lamang yung speaker natin na ilalagay dyan. So ayan, ginawa kong pamaraan mga idol, kumuha ko ng stick, ilagyan ko lang ng marking na from dulo ng stick, nagsukat ako ng 4 inches. So yun, tignan lang, panoorin nyo lang mga idol yung technique ko sa pag ano ng diameter circle.
Pwede rin gawin bus to kaya. Pwede rin gawin bus.
May disconnect na. Tignan mo lang, walang kantay yung sayo, diba? Tapos kalimusin nila.
Bilog yan, oh. Ball pen and stick.
Barbecue stick.
Barbecue stick.
Yan mga idol, simpleng technique lang sa pagbilog. Yan. Kuhanin mo yung gitna mga idol, binus ko, kinuha ko yung gitna, then gumawa ko ng stick. 8 diameter, 8 inches diameter, ito 4 inches from here, tsaka rito sa ano natin, sa marker natin is 4 inches. Yan, 4 inches, 4 inches, 4 inches equal to 8 inches. Kasi 8 inches diameter lang po yung ano natin, yung speaker natin. So, yun. Diba? Idol, masimple lang. Diba? Ganun lang mga kasimple, idol. Ganun lang kasi. nabuo na namin. Yung setup na lang nga yung tatapan natin. So ayan ang naging itsura. Parang L-ported box yan. Double L-ported box mga idol. So ayan. Ang ating DIY. Pang 8. D8 LPORTED mga idol. Ako na nagpangalan dyan mga idol. D8 LPORTED. Kasi D8 yung speaker natin dyan mga idol. Ilalagyan na lang ng wood glue. Ayan. Para magdikit at the same time walang singaw. Mga diskarte ko mga idol pagka gagawa ko ng woodworking. Nagwo-woodworking ako mga idol. So ayan, tinatakpan ko na yung pang ibabaw.
Labo ni camera na doon.
Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen clearer. I don't really think anyone can save me, and honestly I'm not really sure I want saving. I like to be my own worst enemy. There's no risk if you don't try at anything, so I'ma just keep buying everything. See you in the next life, hope to be a better me. I don't think that my head's on straight, gotta flip it and grip it and go and get an x-ray. What's wrong with me? I just feel weight pushing on my chest and it squeezes till I suffocate. Better change my mindset, meditate. It's pretty cool that I'm alive and have better days. I could walk, see, hear, I should celebrate. Think I could change my mind, maybe elevate. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. I'm kinda stuck between a rock and a hard place. Do I work hard or live at my pace? You're only young once, yeah that's all great, but I also want a future where I'm okay. Living life is doing lots of cocaine. Wait no, it's living with no shame. Wait no, it's sleeping in on Sundays. I guess it's different for each of us and that's okay. Well I just wanna be happy, how to get there? Glad that you asked me. I think it's different for everyone. Some of us need work, others need fun. Some of us need purpose to overcome. But try to do what you love when it's said and done. Cause there's so many differences in each of us. Trust your gut, it can show you what you want. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days.
So ayan mga idol, natapos na namin. At yan ang kinalabasan, yung DIY namin na bowers. Double L-ported D8 LPORTED speakers, box speakers. Yan mga idol. So, gwapo din mga idol. At tsambahan naman natin sa pag-DIY. At yan,